Hi everyone, welcome back. The holidays is right around the corner, and if you're looking for a really simple, affordable nail look, I have you covered. Today we're going to be doing a really simple nail design that is perfect for the holiday season, and we're going to pull in a brand new collection from Beetles. This is the Winter Fantasy Collection. First of all, this box is absolutely gorgeous, and the gels that we're going to be working with today are all full-size products that are included in this 30-piece gel polish collection, and they are a HEMA-free formula. Now, the color palette for the Winter Fantasy Collection is absolutely amazing because it's going to get you through cozy season, and it's a really good just collection to have, not only for the holiday season, but for winter and then transitioning into Valentine's Day. You're going to be able to do so many different things with this Winter Fantasy Collection. I'm already thinking some frosty snowflake nails, some cozy sweaters, so options are definitely going to be endless. I really like the swatch card as well that they included in here that's already completed for you, and it also shows you the difference between a glossy and a matte finish, which is a nice touch. And then they did include one of their cuticle oils in here as well, which I am excited to try this because it's winter time here in Wisconsin. My hands are definitely already taking a beating. And then along with the gel polishes, it did come with 2 top coats. Now the top coats are the HEMA-free formula as well. And then same thing with that base coat, we are pulling it in with another full-size bottle. They did include 2 bases and 2 top coats. And then the gel polishes, in my opinion, this packaging is hands down the best because I love a gel polish with a matching bottle. So the color that you see on the bottle is going to be the actual gel polish color, which I love so much, especially if you have a good collection or if you are looking at the colors in this box, you can easily just grab the ones you want. There also is a color indicator on top of the cap as well, but I do really like these bottles. They're clean, they're sleek, and I love a good colored bottle. And then also the brushes on these gels are absolutely amazing too. I did dive into the Beetles HEMA-free formula in a fall video, and I just fell in love with the formula and the brush applicator. So we're going to play with a few colors today, and we're overall just going to create a really simple holiday nail look so you can get a good feel on how this formula applies. I figured let's do just your traditional like classic red, but I wanted to pull in some deeper tones. So the 2 main colors that we're going to be using today, I just felt like were those like perfect rich holiday colors, and then we're going to incorporate a little bit of nail art. I am going to pull in like a sheer jelly nudie color from Beetles that is not included in this kit that I will link in that description box below. That's just going to be like our base color for one of the nail art nails that we're going to be incorporating some plaid to. Now right off the bat you can see we have a beautiful deep cranberry coverage going on here. I love this color just like this. To me this just screams cranberry. But I've noticed with this collection, and that now that I've been playing with it for a little bit, that these colors just look so good and just like that pure opacity and color payoff with 2 coats. So we're going to go in with 2 coats today so you can get a really good feel on how rich and beautiful these colors are. I did go ahead and pop this nail in the lamp and I cured for a full 30 seconds. And we are going to incorporate this color on 2 of the nails, and then we're going to go into a really beautiful rich green color. We're going to do a little bit of easy plaid nail art, and then we're just going to add some simple elements to it just to kind of jazz up our easy, affordable nail look for today. But overall, I do really like the Beetles HEMA-free formula. I played with it a lot, and I do really like this formula a lot better than their standard formula. And there's something about the color payoff that you get with the HEMA ones that are just slightly more opaque than you do with their non-HEMA formula. And I do like the wand and just like how the brush applies with this formula as well. So those are my key things from here. And then you can't take away from that beautiful bottle that has that color indicator on it. But overall, such a beautiful collection. Now, since we are only diving into 3 of the colors today from this kit, stay tuned. Since this is a winter collection, I figured we're going to dive into this collection throughout the entire winter season so you can get some really fun nail inspo and featuring the Beetles Winter Fantasy Collection. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful colors and see what we create today, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me.